Guys, so today is the big move. If you guys don't know, that's why we were packing boxes. That's why we were doing a lot of stuff there. We are packing boxes. The guys are moving furniture today, so that's kind of one less step that we have to do. So that is what's going on, you guys. It's gonna be fun and exciting, so it's gonna be fun. So you can eat the lemon. Look, lemon. Try to eat the lemon. Eat the lemon. Eat the lemon. Okay. Thank you. That's debit. Guys, so right now, you guys, we're putting the computer room together. So that is what's going on. It's gonna be fun and exciting. So I'm just getting the computer room set up. So, okay, this video. I hope you guys enjoy this.